Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Edge. Before we start it, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you want to come onto your homepage here and go to these three dots in the top right corner and select settings. From here, select languages on the left hand side. Now at the top here it says preferred languages. Go ahead and click add languages, and then from here you can either type in your language or you can scroll and look for it yourself. Once you've undergone, it will automatically be at the bottom. If you want it to be our number one preferred language, go ahead and click these three dots and select move to the top. And as you can see now, I've changed my third language to French, and it's now showing text in French instead of English. If ever wants to remove this language from your top one, simply click these dots again and select move down. Then if you want to remove it completely, click it again and click remove. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.